What is up, guys? This is Wackijo speaking, and today is a really rainy day. Obviously, I don't really ride in the rain like this, but today no choice. Really have to ride to work. So in my full raincoat today, and I cannot use my GoPro to film my vlogs during rainy days because the mic adapter have to be attached to the GoPro, so the cover have to be raised. I mean, have to be removed. So if it rains, yeah, water will get into the GoPro, so it will spoil. So I can't do that. Have to use my Cena. And I really regret. No lah, not really regret. I love these gloves that I have now, but these gloves are not waterproof. So now everything is dry except my hands are wet. It's been a while since we last motovlog. Like casually. Whoa! The car just splashed water on me. Ah, yeah. Getting all the splashes everywhere. Whoa! Getting all the splashes everywhere, man. Okay, I gotta get. Oh my god. Car splashing everywhere! Oh wow, my god! Gotta be careful, yo. So we are coming on to very close to 100 subscribers. I never thought I would ever get there actually. 91 subscribers currently, last seen yesterday. How about we go... Oh my god, the car just splashed on me again. Okay, we'll go this way. Lesser cars, lesser traffic. But this road here is always prone to... It's always packed with those heavy vehicles. Okay, coming on to 100 subscribers. Should I do anything when I get up to 100 subscribers? I don't know. Should I do something to celebrate? But it's been a crazy journey with you guys. I can still remember the time when I only had like how many? 18 subscribers, slowly grinding my way through and stuff. So it's really tough to create content, you know. But we always try our best to see what we have in mind to make things creative for you guys. I might be doing some gaming videos, but I don't know what game to play. And I currently just got a green screen. This green screen is to use to do probably some special effects, so that you don't see the whole of my room. At least you can just see me, myself, and I. You don't have to see my room. Let's say if I were to do some gaming videos. But what game should I play? I also don't really play much. You know, actually I'm still playing, quite embarrassed to say, I'm still playing RuneScape. Yes, RuneScape. 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 That was a game back in... Wow, how long ago? That was during my primary school days, I think. When the graphics were still like 2D. And now RuneScape has evolved into like something like World of Warcraft, but not Of course the graphics is not as good as World of Warcraft lah. World of Warcraft. So I'm hoping to do that. I'm also really looking into VR. The ones that I've surveyed was, the ones that I'm interested in is the HTC Vive, and there is also the new Valve Index that was released. Of course, not in Singapore, but in the States and stuff. Valve has their very own VR set, guys, and they can detect finger motions. Like when you do all your finger movements, it's all detected in the VR. How cool is that? And the new game is gonna be released soon, this December. I think it's already been released, if I'm not wrong. Boneworks. Yeah, if any of you are really into VR gaming, go take a look at Boneworks. That game is crazy, man. Takes VR to a whole new level. Yep, see this road is always traveled. This road is always filled with all the heavy vehicles like this. So if you want to come here, yep, just be careful. This road is always the road here always has lots of rocks and stuff as well. You guys have to be very careful. Oh! And guys, I think it's really true when you wash your bike, the next day it's gonna rain. No lah, of course I've washed my bike about 2 days back, but it's been raining for 2 days straight. God damn it. So the curse is really true. Oh, that's a nice Jeep. So to ride in the rain, is it a yay or a nay? I'll put it in the voting comments, the voting section for you to vote. Will you ride in the rain? For me, I'm okay to ride in the rain. But of course, it's much more dangerous. The visor tends to get very blurry, I would say. Because for car, the windscreen, I use a Rain X to make the water droplets become much smaller. Like it's small whereby it won't stick to your glass so that it won't block your vision. That's the Rain X. I haven't applied it on my motorcycle visor. So right now, if I were to travel a bit faster and the rain is heavier, the droplets will be stuck on the windscreen on my visor, so I won't be able to see that clearly. So you might want to consider using a Rain X for your car or your motorcycle visor. Alright, I'm at my destination. It's a short vlog, just a casual one. I'll see you in the next one. Stay wacky.